instant to moments of comfortable joviality.
Hi, Jimmy.
Happy is he who, with the magic light of the open fire shining on his
Hi,
face,
Jim.
and the crackling of nuts sounding in his ears, can nurse his old Joe and draw from its strains the lovely strains of
Kisses for the computer. Oh,
Talking about
kisses.
banjos
Hey,
here,
Jimmy, can we have
my
kisses?
biggest experience of it happened some 15 years ago in northwest Canada, a few miles above Medicine Hat.
Yeah.
As a solitary homestead,
Can Mommy have a kiss? Come here.
miles away.
Jimmy.
I set out on Christmas Eve to visit the homestead of a friend, some good distance across the snow-blanketed prairie. My
Where are my
horse had
kisses?
unfortunately gone lame.
Where are Mommy's kisses?
I had perforce to walk.
Thank you.
Suddenly a foolish thing to do.
Yeah, Jimmy.
In the dead of winter, with the skies portending snow.
Yeah.
I had not traveled more than 5 miles when the wind began to rise.
Yeah, Monkey.
No doubt
Gee, my little Jimmy Jim. Yeah. Jimmy.
Soon snow began to fall.
Oh, okay.
Near my journey's end, I found myself in as blinding a blizzard as ever struck the land.
Hi. Oh, there he goes. Where you going? What you doing? What you doing,
I
Jimmy?
became afraid that I would never see it again
Huh?
on that trip. I staggered
Kisses for
blindly
Mommy?
forward in
Can
what I
Mommy
thought
have
the right
kisses?
direction.
Can we kisses for the camera?
All I had
Thank you.
was that I was hopelessly lost.
Oh, that's nice.
Over the
Kisses?
darkness, the raging blizzard,
Oh,
and
thank
the
you. Thank you, Jimmy. Can I have another kiss?
I had begun
More
to
kisses.
take a rest, but I knew that it was to me. When I suddenly
No?
ran headfirst into what was
Thank you. You're so cute.
very thankful
Good job,
for this
Jimmy
visit,
Jams.
for I could burrow into the stacked
Good job,
windows
Jimmy
and thus save my precious life. The
Yeah.
stack might be only 50 yards away from some
Okay.
settler's cabin, or it might be half a mile away. The straw stacks are left